step up here, and I go on drip.
I keep checking on the top, for the splashes, making all this money, yeah, it's passive. I just making avalanche, like it's nothing. 2% a day, that shit is massive. Checking on the top, for the splashes, making all this money, yeah, it's passive. I just making avalanche, like it's nothing. 2% a day, that shit is massive. Getting passive with this passive, making classics. Claiming all the bread until I get my Maserati. Put up on the pre-sale when I stick they to this toilet. Compound in this bread until that shit is rich and common. We'll be having the stash, minimize making the splash. Yeah, they be riding the wave, but I be holding the bag. The world be having the stash, minimize making the splash. Yeah, they be riding the wave, but I be holding the bag. Checking on the top.
Well, guys, as you can hear by the music, we're gonna be making a splash video. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, because we got bullish news today, guys. Bullish to this. Boom. We all know it. We all love it. Splashive.com. Good old Splash. The next big passive income printer on the Avalanche network. Let's go to the well. Check out the price. Price is $1.40. I'm super bullish on that price. That price, oh sorry guys, that price is super cheap. It is super cheap right now. This is the perfect time to load up your bag, and especially after you see this stuff, you guys will definitely want to load your bag. Saying we got 186,000 USDT up in here. You can buy and sell it on the Penguin website. The interface is not here right now, but you know what I'm saying, that don't matter. That don't matter. We can still go buy it on Penguin. Let's go to the well. Check on, the tab. Check on me deposit real quick. Boom, 3,200 splash deposited. I'm saying 178 available. We're gonna compound that later. Team, you know what I'm saying, still 29 directs and 40 in total. Let's move on from here. Splash pads. Saying I'm not in this yet. Definitely bullish on this. I see this working out for quite a while. You know what I'm saying, looking at, you know what I'm saying, maybe getting into this. LP price $2.4 million. Not bad, not bad. Well, that's actually super expensive, but you guys know what I mean. So, boom. The first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is this right here. The race. The Great Splash Race. For those of you that do not know, I will explain it to you right now. So, let's go over here. Attention everyone. Time for another special update. We are launching a new campaign called the Great Splash Race. This is a game for small and large players, and will reward those that deposit and get people in their teams to deposit. This is how the 7-day game will play out. The game will go on, and you need to make as many deposits as possible. You and your team's deposits will be tracked and counted during this time. Only deposits count, not rolls. The top 10 teams with the most deposits will win prizes proportionately to the amount they deposit. If you don't participate, you won't win a prize. This is there's a real-time chart on the website to track at any point and show the wallets in the lead. Note, if any of the dev marketing wallets win the competition, the total prize will be given out to the members of the team. Also note, if the promoter team, if the promoter team you are on doesn't deposit at least 100 splash, the team will receive the full prize instead of the promoter. The race begins Wednesday at 4 p.m. Universal Time. Right now, that's 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I don't really know where your guys' time zone is. 4 p.m. UTC, just put that in a time zone translator, whatever, and I'll tell you. So, the prizes over the week will be as follows. Top prize, $19,500 value, or 15,000 splash. 9,000 to the promoter, 6,000 to the team. Second place, $12,000 value, 9,230 splash in total. 5,500 goes to the promoter, 3,730 goes to the team. Third place, $6K value, 4,600 splash total, 3K to the promoter, 1,600 to the team. And then 4th to 10th place, $1,000 value, 769 splash, 450 goes to the promoter, 319 goes to the team. Side bonus prizes: YouTube videos, creation bonus, 50 splash for any published video on Splash Token, Tap, Splash Pad, Splash Kings, etc. We're gonna get to that in a second. That's what I'm super excited for. Etc. YouTube video top viewed bonus, 1,500 splash from Splash team. So now that we got that out the way, you guys know what the race is. That's gonna definitely bring lots of money into the Splash protocol. You know what I'm saying, and incentivize people to deposit more money into Splash. So that's super bullish. This price of $1.40, guys, load up the boat, because people are gonna be buying and depositing like crazy, guys, like crazy. So next, let's go and check this out right here. Splash Kings, guys. I'm gonna let it speak for itself. Boom. Splash Kings, the next big play-to-earn blockchain gaming experience on Avalanche. This game is fire. This is a super cool medieval MMORPG, you know what I'm saying, fantasy type thing. Super cool. Reminds me of like, you know what I'm saying, like Elder Scrolls, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. And next, we got this right here, the Splash and Roulette game that is also coming out with the whole casino look. This is, you know what I'm saying, I don't really gamble, you know what I'm saying, I'm only 13, so I cannot legally do it, but definitely a cool thing that where you're going to have a normal game, and for your traditional, you know what I'm saying, player, gambler person, you're going to have roulette game. So no matter your type of thing, you're gonna have something for you. Okay, so now we got the roulette. We're gonna have, this isn't out yet, again, coming soon. All this is coming soon. It's not out yet, you know what I'm saying. We got a couple minutes left on the race, 30 minutes to be exact. So like I said, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, check these out. You see the bonuses, you know what I'm saying. Get your splash ready. Go purchase some splash, cause we're about to be I'm super bullish right now, guys. We're about to have such a huge movement. We're gonna have a lot of splash deposited, you know what I'm saying, all this stuff. So again, like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the Sandbox Kids video. Gonna be dropping another one soon. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. I'll see y'all later. Peace.